Celebrity Big Brother star Donny Tourette looks worlds away from his reality TV days as Hess swapped his wild lifestyle for a more chilled-out everyday life instead. The TV personality, 42, is best known for being a part of the band The Towers of London. However, he quickly became a household name back in 2007 when he appeared on Celebrity Big Brother alongside Jade Goody. Although Donny made a huge impact on the show, he had an even more memorable exit after he jumped the wall and left the house after just 3 days in the competition. Donny's exit is regarded as one of the most controversial in Celebrity Big Brother history, but nowadays, his life appears to be a lot less chaotic. Over 16 years after his unforgettable participation in the famous house, Donny has resurfaced on social media, and he appears to be living an incredibly peaceful life on a farm in California. Donny's old wild ways seem to have been replaced with healthy lifestyle habits including jogging and horse riding. Posting on his Instagram recently, Donny showed himself roller skating along Venice Beach in the Santa Monica area of Los Angeles. Donny has also cut ties with his long and rugged rocker hairstyle and has swapped it for a more casual style. Although he appears to have completely overhauled his look, Donny is still a member of Towers of London, with the band releasing a song called Let It Be, as well as EP Jump, last year. Donny's reappearance on social media comes as Big Brother is set to return to screens on ITV soon. AJ Adudu and Will Best were recently announced to be taking over as the show's brand new hosts. Sharing the news on Instagram in April, AJ told her fans, "This is not a drill. I'm beyond excited to finally be able to say that I am hosting Big Brother. I couldn't be more ecstatic to front such an iconic show and to do it alongside my amazing friend at I Am Will Best is the icing on the cake. Get ready to be obsessed. Big Brother house, I'm coming to get you." The former Strictly Come Dancing contestant later added in a statement, "I'm so excited to finally be able to say that, yes, I'm hosting Big Brother. I couldn't be happier. Following in the footsteps of some of my favorite broadcasting legends to front such an iconic show is an absolute honor, and to do it alongside my amazing friend Will is the icing on the cake." Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.
Now